Salchipapas is a Costa Rican street food. It means salchi from salchicha or hot dogs and papas from potatoes. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is place a baking sheet inside the oven. Set the temperature at 425 Fahrenheit degrees and wait for it to reheat. In the meantime, peel your potatoes with a peeler. I'm using russet potatoes because I want long strips of fries, but any size or type of potato will work. If you prefer to leave the skin on, that's up to you. Cut your potatoes lengthwise, trying to keep them at the same thickness, then flip them and cut into long strips. Repeat with all of your potatoes. Place the potatoes in a bowl and rinse them with plenty of water, being careful not to be too rough so they don't break. Discard the water and repeat one more, or until the water runs clear instead of that whitish color it had before. That's just the start from the potatoes. Let them soak in water while you prep the hot dogs. Cut the hot dogs into rounds, also trying to keep them the same thickness. Do the same with all 8 hot dogs and then set them aside. I am using beef hot dogs, but you can also use chicken or even vegan ones. Grab a clean, dry towel, drain the potatoes, and place them on the towel. I like to work in small batches so I can dry them perfectly, because if there's still water left, the oil won't stick to the potatoes later. Place the potatoes on a baking sheet, and it's not the same that we're heating in the oven, it's a different one. Add the oil and massage the potatoes to spread it evenly. You can also use a spatula, but I don't mind getting my hands dirty for this part. Bring your complete seasoning, I will leave the link in the description, and start sprinkling it all over the potatoes until it looks right to you. Do the same with paprika, eyeballing it until you like the color. I'm also leaving the ingredients and quantities I use, but remember, this is your recipe. Adjust everything to your taste. And also do the same with the black pepper and salt. I know salt can be tricky. Don't be shy about adding it. If they're missing salt after baking, you can always add more. Mix everything with your hands, making sure each potato is evenly coated with the seasoning. After massaging the potatoes for about 2 minutes, adjust the salt, black pepper, and maybe add a little more of oil. I'm baking these in the oven because my air fryer is way too small and I can't fit all of the potatoes. But this recipe works beautifully in the air fryer and in half of the time. Take the baking sheet out of the oven. Use kitchen mittens. It is very hot. Add the potatoes and listen to that sizzle. Spread them evenly and place the tray back in the oven. I'm taking my tray out of the oven just to show you this step. This is after baking for 20 minutes, but you don't need to take yours out. Add the hot dogs to one side of the tray and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, place your Salsa Rosada or pink sauce in a Ziploc bag. What is Salsa Rosada, you ask? It's a Costa Rican sauce that tastes very similar to the one from Raising Cane's. Not kidding. And the recipe is available here on the channel. Once your fries and hot dogs are ready, take them out and carefully mix them together to make your salchipapas. Place them on a round plate and drizzle lots of salsa rosada on top. I like to do it in a zigzag move to make them look cute. Add some toothpicks on top so they're easy to grab and enjoy with family and friends. In the channel, you will be able to find other videos of Costa Rican street food like this one. And if this is your first time on this channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss out any other delicious recipes like this one. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.